Welcome. If you wanna change the default application on your WIKO Lenny 5, let's open the settings. Then we have to move to the apps and notifications. Scroll down, click on the default apps. And as you can see right now, we can change the browser application, for example. But currently it is only one application of the browser, so we can go to the Google Play Store and download the other browser. So maybe we can go for the Opera Mini. Okay, and now click on install. Okay, and right now when we are going back to our options and enter again, now we have to choose between two applications, and I will stay with Google Chrome. And this is how it looks. You can change it also for the messages, phone, home, and assistant and voice input. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.